Hello, this is a demo of the JazzHR and CV-Library integration. So first of all, you want to go to the Google Chrome Web Store. So the first thing here to point out is that this integration is only possible for recruiters that are using the Google Chrome web browser. So you go to the Chrome Web Store, so chrome.google.com/web store, and then in here you want to search for JazzHR, and it's this extension here called the JazzHR Candidate Importer. So you want to add that to your web browser, and what you'll then get is this purple star will then appear. So what you then do is you go onto CV Library, you would search for a candidate in the same way that you normally would. You would unlock the candidate, and then at that point you would click on the purple star. So this is the JazzHR Candidate Importer. This is the add-in that we've just installed. So what you do is you click Download CV, which would open it up or download it in your normal kind of download tray area on Google Chrome, and then you would drag and drop the file into the box here that says resume. Now what this is doing is it's very quickly parsing the CV and it's filling in the details in this form here. Now there's only two bits that the user needs to do manually. The first thing is to select a job that they want to add this candidate into the shortlist for. So in this instance, I've only got one job, so I'm going to add this candidate onto there. And now importantly for us, we also need to be encouraging our clients to update the source. So at the moment it just says CO, which is wrong and incorrect. So we need to encourage our clients to type in CV Library, or if they wish, they could put in CVL for short. From there, the user just clicks import candidate, and now this record is automatically getting created into JazzHR, which is now done. From there, they can click import another, and then the user can continue searching CVs, browsing through CV Library, and do that process again. So now in JazzHR, if I just refresh the screen, what we should see very shortly is that that candidate will appear in the candidate pool. And then from there, the recruiter would be able to go and do all of the other actions which they would normally do for that particular role. So we've now gone onto that role and we can see there that Helen Boshier, the one that we've just found and imported from CV Library, has been added to the shortlist for that role. If we click on Helen's name, we can see her details, her profile, so the actual CV that's been imported from CV Library, and importantly her contact details and source at the top there. There we go. See, it's quite a straightforward integration. Just to recap, it's a Chrome extension. Click download, drag and drop the CV in, and then click import, and that's it done. Thank you very much.